Arun Govil, who essayed the role of Lord Ram in Ramanand Sagar's Ramayan, joined the Bharatiya Janata Party on Thursday. The actor came back in spotlight during nationwide coronavirus lockdown when the epic TV show was rerun and broke all the previous records to become one of the most watched entertainment shows worldwide. Some people are not ready to understand. They have some sort of allergy. They have to understand that Lord Ram is our ideal. Why would you want to resist? This will be fatal for nation building. This country belongs to Lord Ram, he said while joining the BJP. Govil's joining can push BJP's political aspirations further as most of the party leaders, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, always begin their rally address with the chant of Jai Shri Ram, a character played by Govil that made him household name. In what will come as a huge sigh of relief for commuters across the country who have spent countless hours in the traffic jam leading up to toll booths, Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari told Lok Sabha today that the centre is planning to do away with all the physical booths within a year. He said 93% of the vehicles pay toll using FASTag, but the remaining 7% have still not taken it despite paying a double toll. I want to assure the House that within 1 year, all the physical toll booths in the country will be removed. It means that toll collection will happen via GPS. The money will be collected based on GPS imaging on vehicles. Gadkari said this in the Lok Sabha during question hour. The minister said he has instructed police inquiry for those vehicles which do not pay toll using FASTags. There are cases of toll thefts and GST evasion cases if FASTags are not fitted in vehicles. FASTags, which facilitate electronic payment of fee at toll plazas, was introduced in 2016. From February 16, vehicles without FASTag are required to pay double toll fee at electronic toll plazas across the country. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today urged the centre to allow vaccination for all above 18 and claimed that his government could inoculate all of Delhi in 3 months if this was allowed and eligibility restrictions were relaxed. Allow walk-in vaccinations at all the centres for everybody. If all this is allowed and we get sufficient supply, then according to our plan, we will be able to vaccinate whole of Delhi in 3 months, Chief Minister said after a meeting to discuss the surge in virus cases. He said that Delhi government would write to the centre to relax vaccination parameters so that more centres could administer shots and for longer periods. Eligibility criteria for receiving vaccine was too restrictive in terms of age groups, Kejriwal said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, campaigning in Bengal days ahead of a make-or-break election, today used Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Khela Hobe, that is game on phrase, to attack her and said, "You played for 10 years. Khela shesh hobe, vikas arambh hobe," which means now your game will be over and development will begin. PM Modi was speaking in Purulia ahead of the 8-phase Bengal election starting March 27th, for which the ruling BJP has mounted an aggressive campaign to oust the two-time chief minister and her Trinamool Congress from power. The Prime Minister targeted Mamata Banerjee over what he called corruption and lack of development, often switching to Bengali in the largely rural region. Russian President Vladimir Putin on Thursday mocked US President Joe Biden over his killer comment but said that Moscow would not sever ties with Washington over the spat. Speaking at an event marking 7 years since Russia's takeover of Crimea, Putin said Moscow would continue working with Washington but aimed a barb at the US leader. "It takes one to know one," Putin said in televised remarks using a saying from his childhood. "That's not just a children's saying and a joke. There is a deep psychological meaning to this," he said. "We always see in another person our own qualities and think that he is the same as us." Putin added that he wished Biden, 78 years old, a good health. He said, "I'm saying this without irony, not as a joke." Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.